My name is Skypafora Griffith, and I'd like to welcome you to Rabbit Math. Our objective is to bring complex mathematical structures into the high school classroom. Our problems have a hands-on nature designed to get students working and playing together. The collision model is a multi-level activity. In grade 11, the students meet exponential growth for the first time, and we are interested to see what they make of this animation. In grade 12, there's quite a bit of good math and good thinking that can be done. Finally, in first year calculus, the students ought to be able to find a complete solution. The problem, of course, is to find the equation of the curve. Here's what you need to know. The big circle has a radius of 5 centimeters. The population starts with 50 particles which are given random positions and random directions of motion, traveling at a speed of 4 centimeters per second. Every 1/25th of a second, a census is taken, and if any two particles happen to be within 0.02 centimeters of each other, they are given a new offspring particle, which moves off in a random direction. Every time this happens, the population grows. This animation was built in Python and runs in a Jupyter notebook. Of course, different runs of the program will give somewhat different curves, and this video records just one of these. What you are looking for is the theoretical model. That is, your formula will give you the expected size of the population at any time. Enjoy!